Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start inside Safari so you can stop pop-up tabs right away. Open Safari and press Command Plus, or choose Safari Preferences. This opens the exact controls you need. Once done, click the Websites tab to find pop-up windows and notifications. Make sure to save any work or bookmark pages so you don't lose progress when disabling features. This first step locates the controls. It's quick and prevents accidental data loss while you change behavior. Now you'll change the active controls to block the offending tabs. In Websites pop-up windows, choose Block or Block and Notify for listed and unknown sites. That stops new tabs from opening. Then check Notifications and revoke permissions for sites you don't recognize. Once done, open Safari Preferences Extensions and uninstall any extensions you didn't add. They often trigger redirects. These steps remove the sources and the behavior, reducing pop-up tabs without affecting. Finish by cleaning residues that may trigger pop-ups. Choose Safari Clear History and Website Data, then restart Safari to ensure changes take effect. After restarting, visit a site that previously caused tabs to open to confirm blocking. If pop-up tabs persist, scan your Mac with a reputable anti-malware tool and consider resetting Safari preferences or creating a new user profile. If you run into issues, make sure you removed suspicious extensions and revoked notification permissions. That usually resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.